Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome to my channel. Students, today in this video, I'm going to share with you the important questions for the students of MBA semester 2 students of Usmania University, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the important questions for the subject business research methods. Now on screen you can see introduction to research, that is unit 1. Short questions first. Now under that, the first question is business research and its objectives. Second is nature and significance of business research. Third, descriptive or exploratory research. Then next is what are the requirements of a good research design. Fifth, research design. Sixth, research plan. Seventh, marketing information system, that is MIS. Eighth, casual research. So students, these are the important questions from unit 1, and these are the short questions from unit 1, introduction to research, subject business research methods. So students, from these, the first one, business research and its objectives, is very important. Third is also important. Question number 5th is important, and 8th question is also important. Now on screen you can see unit 1 long questions. Unit 1 is introduction to research. So under that, the first one is define business research, states its nature, importance. So first question. Now next, second question, define marketing information system MIS, explain its role, components, also differentiate between market research and marketing information system. Third one, what is a research design, explain the requirements of a good research design. Fourth, distinguish between exploratory and descriptive or casual research with examples. Next question is what is research hypothesis, explain the characteristics, features and importance of research hypothesis. So these are the long questions and important questions from unit 1, and from this, question number 1, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 are very important. 1, 3, 4, 5 are very important. So long questions, unit 1, clearly you can see on your screen. Long questions from unit 1. Unit 1 is introduction to research. Now next, on screen you can see unit 2. Unit 2 is research process and data collection. Now first, unit 2 short questions. Under that, first is what is research process. Second, distinguish between primary data and secondary data. Third, what are the methods of data collection. Fourth, define questionnaire, design its steps. Then fifth question, differentiate between stratified sampling and cluster sampling. Sixth, distinguish between open-ended questions and close-ended questions. Seventh, write about pilot study. So these are the important questions, short questions from unit 2. From these questions, question number 1, question number 2, question number 4, question number 5 and 6th, 7th is very important. First question, fourth question, fifth question, 6th and 7th questions are very important from your examination point of view. Your examinations are going to be started from August 21st, 2024. So these questions are very important from your examination point of view. Now on screen you can see research process and data collection, that is unit 2, long questions. Under that, the first one, explain the process of research in detail. Second question, what is sampling, its advantages, disadvantages and different types of sampling techniques. Third one, what are the guidelines to be considered for designing a good questionnaire, state its advantages and disadvantages of questionnaire. Fourth one, explain different types of data collection. And methods also explain the differences between primary and secondary data. So these are the important questions from unit 2. So from these questions, question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4, 1, 3 and 4 most important. Question number 1, explain the process of research in detail. It's very important. Third one, what are the guidelines to be considered for designing a good questionnaire? This is also very important. And question number 4, explain different types of data collection methods and differences between primary data and secondary data. So this is very important. So these are the important questions from unit 2. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for all the subjects for MBA semester 2 students are available. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. And students, on my YouTube channel, lectures on the subject financial management are also available. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends. And these videos are available in the playlist also. Now next, on screen you can see clearly unit 3 short questions. Unit 3 is scaling and measurement. And under that, the first is what is Likert scale, second Gottman scale, third ordinal scale, fourth interval scale, fifth differentiate between reliability and validity, sixth what are the objectives of tabulation. So these are the important questions from unit 3. Unit 3 short questions. From these, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 very important. 1, 2, 3, 4 are very important. And students, in the examination maybe he will ask you explain the differences between Likert and Guttman scale also in short questions. Explain the differences between Likert and Guttman scale, or ordinal and interval scale differences between, maybe he will ask you. That is also important from your examination point of view. And this differentiate between reliability and validity, this is also important from your examination point of view. So these are the short questions and important questions for your upcoming examination. So students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for all the subjects are available. So visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends and inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. Now next, on screen you can see scaling and measurement. That is unit 3, and long questions from unit 3 are: the first one, define measurement and scaling. What are the properties of measurement scales? Different types of measurement scales. Second, define tabulation, its objectives, rules for constructing statistical data. Also explain various methods of tabulation. Third one, differentiate between nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio scales. What is Likert scale? Explain the procedure for constructing an application of Likert scale. So these are the 4 questions from unit 3, long questions, and these 4 questions are very important. From these 4, question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4 is also important. 1, 3 and 4 most important. Now on screen you can see data analysis and statistical technique, that is your unit 4. Now unit 4 short questions. Under that, the first one is ANOVA. Second one, what is chi-square method? Explain its uses. Third, type 1 and type 2 errors. Fourth is what is correlation analysis, its importance in research. Fifth, parametric and non-parametric tests. 6th cluster analysis, 7th multi-dimensional scaling. So these are the short questions from unit 4, and from these unit 4 short questions, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 and question number 5, most important, 1 3 5 are very important, and question number 6 is also important, cluster analysis. Maybe he will ask you what is cluster analysis. Now unit 4 long questions, you can see clearly on your screen, data analysis and statistical technique, that is your unit 4. So unit 4 long questions. Number 1, define hypothesis and hypothesis testing, why it is done, explain the process of formulation and testing of an hypothesis. Second, what are the parametric and non-parametric tests, differentiate between them. Third one, define multiple regression analysis, its objectives and assumptions. Fourth, what is multi-dimensional scaling and states its objectives, assumptions, applications and uses. So these are the 4 questions, and these questions are very important. 4 questions from your unit 4 long questions. From these, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 are very important. 1 2 and 3 are very important. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for all the subjects of MBA semester 2 are available, and lectures on the subject financial management are also available. Now on screen you can see unit 5, that is report design, writing and ethics in business research. Now first on screen you can see unit 5 short questions. Under that, first one, define report, its objectives and essentials of a good report. Second question, plagiarism. Third, self-plagiarism. Fourth, what are the importance of ethics in business research. Fifth, what are the objectives behind preparing a research report. So these are the 5 questions, and these 5 questions are very important. From these, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 5, 1 2 and 5 are most important. Question number 5 is very important. What are the objectives behind preparing a research report? It's very important. And question number 1 is also very important. Question number 1, this short question, this is very important for short, as well as this question is important for long question also. Now on screen you can see unit 5 long questions, report design, writing, ethics in business research. Now under that, first one, define report, its objectives, importance and essentials of good report writing. Second question, define ethics, its importance in business research, explain behavior, code of conduct in business research. Third, explain the importance of subjectivity and objectivity in research with examples. Fourth, what is research report? As a good researcher, state the precautions that you take while writing a business research report. So these are the 4 questions from unit 5 long questions, you can see clearly on your screen. So from these 4 questions, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 4, 1 2 and 4 very important. And maybe third, he will ask you in the examination what are the importance of subjectivity and objectivity in research with examples. So 1 2 and 4 are very important from your upcoming examination point of view. So students, these are the important questions from the subject business research methods for MBA semester 2 students of Osmania University. So students, in this video I covered all the important questions from unit 1 to unit 5, short questions as well as long questions you will find in this video only. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subjects operation research, or financial management, entrepreneurship development, business law and ethics. So all the subjects important questions are available on my YouTube channel. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends. And students, on my YouTube channel, lectures on the subject financial management, that is also available on my YouTube channel. So students, please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. And if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel, so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Students, for the complete guidance and all your academic information related to Osmania University, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. All the best.